Hello, and welcome to Rejuvenous TV's Skincare Academy, starring one of Hollywood's most sought-after doctors, Dr. W. Ray Henderson, and his beautiful host, Jamie Fierro. Here, you will get all the answers to your daily skincare questions. So stop aging and start living here at beautyplum.com.
This is Skincare for Men. I'm with our expert this evening, Dr. Ray Henderson. We're here to discuss the differences of skincare for men.
Do men benefit from cosmetic treatment in the same way that women do?
Yes.
And do men have injections such as Botox?
Yes, they do. They have fillers as well. And Botox works just as well. It has no sexual preference at all.
And how can laser treatments benefit men?
The same as it does women. It depends on which laser you're using, whether you're trying to get rid of fine blood vessels, brown spots, whether you're resurfacing the skin for a smoother complexion. Yes, they can be used in men, definitely.
And in terms of sun damage, do you see sun damage on men more than you do women?
Boy, that's a tough one. I see it in both sexes. I don't think sex has a dominance here. I think that men, of course, are out in the sun more. They work in the sun, they play in the sun during their youth, and their adult life, they're out there at the beach or in the mountains or wherever, and of course they're exposed to more sun. I think the problem with people generally is they're impatient. They want everything to happen yesterday, and they don't want to have to do anything for it. So the big problem and challenge to the physician or the beautician, the esthetician that's working with people to improve their skin is to motivate them. They have to be part psychiatrist, I think, to get them to use it properly.
So do men then lose interest in their skincare quicker than women? Is there, what can the people, the individuals, their wives, do to help men to stick with their skincare line?
Well, I think the thing they should not do is nag them. I think they should compliment them that they're looking better. That's a way to stimulate. Gosh, I'm looking better. I better keep doing that stuff. And I think that's very, very important. As far as certainly, it's more popular in men. In women. Men are starting to use it more and more because of their vocation, their avocation, their goals, whatever. Because I think people want to look as young as they feel.
And being out in the sun, working out in the sun, isn't it true that it's very important for men as well as women, but men in this case, to add sunscreen a couple of times if they're out in the direct sun?
Absolutely. The important thing about sunscreens is that they protect against ultraviolet, which is the SPF factor, 15 being the most common, and also contain titanium dioxide and zinc oxide to protect against infrared. And the titanium and zinc oxides are reflectants, and they reflect the radiation away from the skin. They should use it regularly. If they're out playing around at golf, they should probably reapply it at the turn, because it usually nowadays takes about 3 hours to make the turn. In other words, finish 9 holes. So they ought to reapply it. Yeah. Hands, forearm, chest.
Bionic Body Bites for Men provides the perfect amount of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and herbs for the unique needs of men. Bionic Body Bites for Men are sold exclusively at beautyplum.com.
And how do you get rid of them?
You can get rid of them by exfoliation on a daily basis. And to repeat, we can use those in the shower. We can use mechanical machines to do it. There are even some laser machines that will do it. But for the practical person, it's exfoliation in the morning, and then put on the sunscreen, then put on the toner, then put on the makeup in the case of women. Some men might be putting on the makeup, I don't know.
And does a blackhead always turn into a pimple?
No.
Okay. What can be done for this crow's feet that that men get around their eyes?
Well, first of all, we'll clarify that men and women get it around their eyes. What can be done is just a good skincare program to increase collagen production. However, you will never eliminate them once they're present, because this crow's feet are developed by several actions from different muscles of the face, and you're always going to have them, especially when you're animating. When you're not animating and in repose, we can improve them with Botox, and even then they won't go away completely, but they'll be better.